In the last class, we were discussing
Sir,
about
satisfaction.
human ear, isn't it?
Human
We were
ear.
discussing about human ear. I have explained everything in detail regarding the human ear. I have shared a PPT also, and I have explained about what are the different types of parts which are present in the human ear, how the human ear is divided into, and I told everything in a very clear way. I don't know anybody is absent for that class. It is your bad luck again, because repetition of the classes, it is involved with time bound factor, and I cannot repeat and repeat and repeat. Okay, so anyways, 1 minute, please give me a couple of seconds time so that I'll be sharing my PPT with you. 1 minute. Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, miss.
No. Okay, please wait.
It's
I can't
totally
see
black.
it.
Yeah,
You're
please
not
wait.
even sharing it.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am, it's
please.
read.
Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am, we can see the ear.
Yes, that's fine.
Yes,
Okay.
miss. We can see
Yeah,
it now.
yesterday, in the last class, not yesterday, I was discussing about the human
Ma'am,
ear.
I can't see your screen, ma'am.
It is your network issue. If others are able to see the screen and if you are unable to see the screen, it's not my fault, na. It is your network issues again involved with. Okay, please
Okay,
check into
ma'am.
your internet
Once I'll
connections.
join
That's
again,
fine.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's fine, because we are going to discuss on important topics, and if you are not present for the class, and again it's a big problem for you again. Okay, once again, I'll just revise the concept in a very faster sense, because I have this is all last class only we have dealt with. So I'll just give you a recapitulation of this topic, because I want to go ahead with some more new topics also. In the last class, I was just discussing about the anatomy of the ear. Okay, ear was divided into three parts. Okay, it is outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. So outer ear consists of 2 to 3 parts. Importantly, one is pinna, second one is external auditory canal, and then middle ear is having three parts again. One is
Ma'am,
tympanic.
you'll get,
What?
ma'am, you'll get from another phone, ma'am. Please admit me, ma'am.
I have admitted, please check. Okay, I request all the students to please concentrate properly on the lesson, because I have very limited periods now. Okay, so I want to complete, I want to start up your chemistry portion also. So please do not interrupt in the middle of the class. If you do not understand, then please ask. That's it. Okay, so the ear is divided into three main parts. One is outer ear, and middle one is called as middle ear, and the ear is called as inner ear. Okay, so in the outer ear you have pinna and external auditory canal, and in the middle ear you have tympanic membrane, which is also called as tympanum or eardrum, and you also have auditory ossicles, which is called as malleus, incus, and stapes, and then you have some middle ear cavity, and then followed by eustachian tube. Okay, and the inner ear consists of a oval window, and then round window, cholia, and semicircular canals. Okay, so let us go through the parts. Once already, this is a repeated class for you. I was not telling something new. This is all in the last class I have discussed with you very clearly. So you can see, 1 minute, this, what do we say, this IEP, it is a bit slow, and I was just trying to change the slides. Okay, so now you can see very clearly where is the pinna located. So this outermost, the cartilaginous ring-like structure is called as pinna. Okay, and this outside ear, everybody is having ears. So the outside ear is called as pinna. Okay, so more elaborately here you can see this is called as pinna. Okay, and then this pinna is followed by ear canal. Okay, internally it is followed by some ear canal, which is also called as auditory canal. You can see a clear canal like structure here, which is followed by pinna, and this is also surrounded by some white colored cartilaginous structure. Okay, this pinna is surrounded, it is a cartilaginous skin, it is covered by skin and it is having a cartilaginous structure, and internally it is having connection to auditory canal or ear canal. And here you can see some purple colored structure which is called as eardrum or tympanum. The function of this eardrum is, the sound waves will reach pinna. See, for example, I'm speaking now. So when I'm speaking, the sound waves will reach the ear. And from the pinna, so it reaches the ear in the sense it reaches pinna. And from the pinna, it reaches into the ear canal or auditory canal. And from auditory canal, it goes to eardrum. Okay, and then eardrum, what is the function of eardrum is, it, when the sound waves reaches the eardrum, the eardrum vibrates. The eardrum, it vibrates, and sound waves are produced by vibrations. So when eardrum starts vibrating, the sound waves are produced, sound is generated there. And this sound waves, they reaches to the middle ear, and from the middle ear, these sound waves are being amplified, and then finally they reaches the inner ear. And in the cochlear region, cochlear nerve is there, cochlear organ is there. This blue colored coil structures are nothing but cochlea, we call it as. So in the cochlea, these sound waves were converted or were taken to the brain. Okay, so brain, all the impulses of these sound waves are received by the brain, and brain will in turn give a lot of response back. So this is finally the parts of the ear. Once again, I was telling you. So with this, if you look into this parts of the ear, you can also understand how the sound waves will propagate from the pinna to the middle ear, and from the middle ear to the inner ear, and finally from the inner ear to the brain, and from the brain again the information was passed, and that's the reason we are able to hear the sounds, and that's the reason we are able to hear whatever the information others are talking. So this is how the sound waves is being percepted. And I was just showing all these pictures for those children who were absent for the last class, because there was an in detail discussion about all these parts in the last class. Okay, so once again, this is a elaborated. Middle ear is there, no? So middle ear consists of three parts. Okay, we call total middle ear as auditory ossicles. Okay, we will call this middle ear as auditory ossicles, and in the middle ear you have three main parts. And this blue colored structure, it is clearly reflected there. So this blue colored structure is nothing but eardrum. We will call it as eardrum or tympanum. Okay, this blue colored structure is called as eardrum or tympanum, and whatever sound waves reaches to your ear, the sound waves will be passed into auditory canal, and from the auditory canal, the ear sound waves will reach us to the eardrum, and then eardrum will vibrate, and it sends vibrations to the inner ear, and from the inner ear, the vibrations will be amplified there, and then from there it reaches, all the sound impulses will be reaching to the brain, and from brain we are able to hear the communication. Brain is having such a wonderful process, and it reflects and it converts into the communication or information process. So, and these are all the various parts which are present in the middle ear. So middle ear consists of malleus, incus and stapes. These are the three parts which are present in the middle ear. And then malleus is called as hammer, because it is bone like hammer shaped bone. And then incus is also called as anvil, and then stapes is also called as stirrup, because the shape of the bone is stirrup shape. It looks like a stirrup shape, hence it is called as stirrup. The other name for stapes is stirrup, the other name for incus is anvil, the other name for malleus is hammer. Right? 1 minute, children. So here also you can see malleus is called as hammer, incus is called as anvil, and stapes is called as stirrup. So you can also see very clearly how the eardrum is present there, and then what is pinna, how the ear canal is connected inside, and then how this inner ear is there, how the cochlea is present, and finally how the eustachian tube is present. Everything was clearly mentioned there. Okay. So now, first of all, let us understand how do we perceive sound. Okay, so inner ear also, I was explaining about inner ear also to you. So inner ear also consists of what does the inner ear consist? Those children who have attended for
Cochlea.
the last class, they have to answer for all these questions. If you just sit like dolls in the class, then what is the use, children? Will do we have any use?
They contain
Cochlea, ma'am.
they contain semicircular canals which are
Yeah, good,
perpendicular to each
good.
other and the cochlea.
Very good, excellent. So inner ear, especially, it consists of semicircular canals. Okay, so this semicircular canals, you can see here, I wrote anterior semicircular canal there, and then followed by posterior. SCC is, semicircular canal. So you can see anterior semicircular canal, and then followed by posterior semicircular canal, and then lateral semicircular canal. So three coiled structures you can see there. Okay, and then it is followed by, again, inside cochlea. Cochlea is nothing but, it is a bony structure, and it is, running parallel lines. It is a coiled structure which you can see very clearly, where, you can see a series of parallel lines running to each other. So this is about the inner ear in brief. Okay, so now let us understand how sound waves will reach from your ear to the brain. Okay, first of all, I told you we have external ear. So external ear is nothing but, it is also called as pinna. So this pinna collects the sound waves from the surrounding and sends them to eardrum. I told you na pinna, I have showed you the picture of pinna, which is also called as outer ear. The sound waves will reach it. For example, I am speaking, and my friend was listening to my voice. Means the sound waves from my mouth, they are reaching to the pinna of my friend, and then pinna is collecting all the sound waves. Okay, and then it is sending all these sound waves from the ear canal to the eardrum. Then what is happening? These sound waves hit the eardrum and produce vibrations in it. When sound waves hit the eardrum, so eardrum is also called as tympanum. Okay, so these sound waves, when they hit the eardrum, they produce vibrations in it. And children, it was very clear that whenever there were vibrations produced, automatically, when sound need to be generated, sound waves are generated when vibrations are produced. So when eardrum is vibrating, automatically sound waves are produced, and these sound waves, these vibrations will pass to the bones in the middle ear. I told you now, three types of bones are there. What are the three types of bones which are present in the middle ear? Okay, I told you already, three types of bones: malleus, incus, and
Malleus,
malleus,
incus, and
incus, and
stapes.
stapes. So these three are the
Staples.
bones. Okay, and these vibrations will go there into the middle ear, and then all these three parts which are present in the middle ear, they amplifies the vibrations. Okay, and then finally, the amplified, the complete vibrations, the prepared vibrations are received by the inner ear, especially cholia, which is present inside the inner ear. Cholia, it converts them into nerve impulses. So these vibrations were amplified and then converted into nerve impulses, and these impulses will be sent to the brain through auditory nerve, which is present inside the ear. And this brain decodes. 1 minute, Vayomini.
Miss, what do you mean by the three ossicle bones? They amplify the vibrations.
Amplify
Like,
the
what do they?
sound waves need to be amplified. Okay, before they become into nerve impulses. Okay, amplification means it is conversion of sound waves into nerve impulses. Okay, it was a process of conversion of sound waves. The vibrations will whenever the sound waves reaches the eardrum, eardrum will vibrate. It will produce some raw vibrations, and these vibrations will be maximum displacement of the vibrations. They are all together processed. It is a kind of processing of vibrations. Okay, it is a
Oh,
kind of
okay.
processing of vibrations, where all the vibrations will be processed into one unit, and these vibrations will be finally sent into cholia, where these vibrations will be, again, these amplified vibrations will be converted into nerve impulses, and these impulses again will be sent to the brain. Okay, through some auditory nerve, and then again brain will understand all these impulses, and then it will transform into information which we are able to hear it. This all big
What are
process.
impulses?
Impulses mean the sound waves will travel in the form of nerve impulses. Okay, so these amplified vibrations, it is all a part which is again related to biology. In the biology, you have central nervous system where you have nerves which are called as neurons, and neurons helps in transformation of information. Okay, that is all a big topic. Again, it was a biological science topic,
Ah, okay.
right? So if I want to explain that topic again, it involves a lot of matter in it. Okay, so you have to
Miss,
understand that.
I need to tell you one more thing.
Yes.
I want to tell one more thing. It's about the cochlea. The cochlea has a bigger function. Like, how can you just say it very simply? It contains a fluid and some detecting cells.
See, every part has a very big function. Okay, based on your grade, what is the information which is required, that information we will be telling you. Okay, so
Oh, okay.
we have a teaching curriculum guide. Okay, and then followed by the course book, and whatever the information which is required for your grade, we will be giving you and will be making you simpler, because in a class we have a combination of all the children. If I give the knowledge of something which is related to graduation or post graduation, the students will be feeling it so difficult, and they will be into inferiority complex, and they will be getting some kind of phobia, right? So we will give
Yeah, okay.
information in a simplified way. That is the reason I was just involving all the pictures also, so that they will not get confused with the terminology. Okay, few children are there, where we have to keep them also into the mind while we
Yeah.
deliver a lecture, isn't it? So each
I
part.
was I was asking. I was asking because I learned it in grade 7, so that's why I was
That is what,
asking.
because you have studied somewhere. Their syllabus is different, and here the syllabus is different. Their curriculum is
Yeah, I
different, and here the
understand.
curriculum is different. So we have some teaching curriculum guide which we have to follow before giving knowledge to the children. So the main part is not only this. Every part is having lot and lots of functions involved in it. If I want to explain about each and every part will take 40 minutes of time, which is not there in your course books. Okay, if you want, you can open your
Okay,
course
miss.
book, page number 14. You can refer your course book, whatever the points which are there for your grade, as per the Birla curriculum and as per the Telangana, whatever the teaching strategies are there, that all I was including, and I was delivering the lecture, right? And further more information, if you want, we are ready to help you out, and we are ready to give you. But you have to call us after the school hours, in between 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. If you call us, we will be helping you out in giving you additional information which is required, right?
Okay, miss.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, amplifies means what, ma'am?
Amplifies means, you have a terminology, right? So in the first classes I told amplification. Okay, sound waves are called amplified. I have given you one definition also for amplification, which we have discussed when we talk about loudness.
Weak one,
Okay,
ma'am.
week one syllabus I told you what is amplitude display, amplitude definition also I have told you in week one. What is amplitude? It is a displacement of a vibrating body from its mean position. Okay, so all these chapters we have discussed in our early classes. Amplification is nothing but, for your simpler understanding, you can think like, it is a processing of vibrations. Okay, it is a kind of processing of vibrations, or it is a
Ma'am,
kind of
excuse me,
displacement of
ma'am.
vibrations. Okay, actually the name amplitude, it refers to maximum displacement. Okay, the maximum displacement of a vibrating body from its mean position is called its amplitude. Now what we are doing is we are amplifying the vibrations. So we all the vibrations were there, we are processing it and we are displacing it, so that it will reach to the inner ear, and from the inner ear it will reach to the brain in the form of nerve impulses. So did I reach your point,
Okay.
Naina? Naina is asking, or who is responding now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Naina, is
Ma'am,
it
can you
clear for you?
please explain again, ma'am? Confusing.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is responding now? Mahima?
Ma'am, and explain this. How do we perceive sound? Can you explain this, ma'am?
How do you? I was unable to hear your voice. Please, little bit louder. Ritvika, please
Ma'am,
be
how do
louder.
we, ma'am,
Please tell
this one,
me.
ma'am, how do we perceive sound?
How do we receive sound? Okay. So, what is the
Yes,
external ear you have? External ear. What do we
inna,
call it as external ear?
inna,
I have showed
inna.
you the picture, right?
No.
Where is the picture, children?
The outer ear.
First let.
This is pinna. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
able to see
Pinna.
the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can
Yes.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
Pinna. Okay. So what is happening? What is happening to pinna? I was speaking now. So where does the sound wave will reach? The
Pinna. It
sound
will
wave
reach
will
to
reach to the outer
The
ear,
pinna.
which is called as pinna. Okay. So the sound wave is reaching here. So from here, what is happening? We have one more. See, this is pinna. You can see here pinna, isn't it? Where is pinna there in this picture?
down.
You can see the pinna, right? So the external, I have drawn with some red color indication there. You can see. So this is all pinna. Okay, it is nothing but it is external ear. Okay, so for example, let us say I was shouting from here. Okay, this is a sound box or something like that. Okay, sound waves are coming outside, let us say, in the form of vibrations. This vibrations, where it is reaching, children?
Yeah.
Sound
Pinna.
waves. Sound
The
waves are
outer.
reaching the outer ear or pinna.
Pinna.
So again from here, these sound waves, they are traveling
Will be
here.
directed.
Okay, they are traveling into the ear canal. So this blue colored structure is called as ear canal. Did you understand, children? This purple
Yes.
colored structure is called as ear canal. Okay, and here you will have one more structure called as, so this is called as
Tympanum.
eardrum. This is called as eardrum. Okay, so now what is happening? This green colored sound waves, they are reaching to eardrum. Okay, they are reaching to eardrum. The sound waves from here, they are traveling through the ear canal and they are reaching to this eardrum. Then what is the function of eardrum, children? What is the function of eardrum?
It vibrates and sends the
So
It
vibration to
vibrates
the
and
middle
sends
the
ear.
eardrum
impulse, ma'am.
function is when sound waves reaches to eardrum, it vibrates. So by default, you know, vibrations always, see, when is sound produced? When is sound produced? Sound is produced when a body is vibrated. So now,
Vibrated.
yeah. So when eardrum is vibrating, this, you know, sound is produced. Okay. So here what is happening? We have vibrations. So these all vibrations, they were passing to this inner ear. Okay. These sound waves are passing to the inner ear.
And now,
Sorry, this is a middle ear. So they are passing to the middle ear. So you can see the middle ear here. I was drawing. I was indicating with some red colored lines. So this is the area where inner ear is present. Okay. So when the sound waves passes to the inner ear, what will happen? The sound waves get processed. Okay. This processing is called as amplification. Okay, what it is called as, Nana? Amplification. Amplification means whatever the waves they were transferred, you know, the word amplified means it is the maximum displacement. Okay, in already in the previous classes we have studied amplitude definition. Okay, displacement means the waves will move from one place to the other place. Okay, when an object is moved from one place to the other place, it is called as displacement. So here the sound waves will move from the outer ear to the middle ear and from the inner ear to the from the external ear to the middle ear, the sound waves will be displaced, and from the middle ear to the external ear, to the internal ear, the sound waves will be displaced. So the sound waves are reaching external ear, from there they are reaching middle ear, and from there they are reaching finally the inner ear. This all process is called as amplification. Okay, amplification. This all process is called as amplification, or sound waves are being amplified. Okay, and for your better understanding, simpler understanding, you can also think that it is a kind of processing. Okay, so when sound waves are displaced from the external ear to the middle ear, and from the middle ear to the inner ear, and finally in the inner ear, what is happening, children? In the inner ear, from the inner ear, these sound waves will reach to the brain. Okay, from the inner ear, the sound waves will go to the brain, and they have some auditory nerve, okay, as a mediator, which carries the vibrations from the inner ear to the brain. Okay, and finally the brain will receive all these impulses. Okay, and then it will convert into the information which you will listen. So this is all hearing process. So this much process is involved in your hearing. Is it clear, children,
Yes,
for you
ma'am.
now?
Ma'am,
How the
this
process is
is
being?
the process
Yeah,
of
and
how do
this
we
much
receive
big
sound.
process will be done in only few seconds, ma'am.
In only
Few-
very few seconds.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
it is less than second. Let us call. See, for example, I'm
It
speaking.
is
See, I'm
microseconds.
speaking,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you are understanding. Immediately, you are understanding, right? So it is not taking
In
some
that
time.
Fraction of
Yes.
So less than seconds, less than even 1 second, it takes for this big process to be done.
and
So
this much, because of this process we are able to
that
listen
is
to
the
sound.
reason we call human body as a wonderful machine. Okay, human
Yes,
body
ma'am.
is a, wonderful creation of
Yeah.
the God, and no machine was such great wonderful. God has created such a beautiful parts and mechanism. That's the reason we always, human body is
Ma'am,
an. Yes, somebody is again talking. Yes, Akshara.
ma'am, there is a wax present, ma'am.
This is all I have covered in the previous classes. I think you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not
Yes,
there for the.
ma'am.
I told now in the
Yes,
auditory
ma'am.
canal. These all things I have already
Yes, ma'am.
covered in
Here
the
back.
last class. Okay, today my
Yes, ma'am.
concept
Last.
is today the explanation part is
Uh,
only hearing concept. I want to explain you how we are able to hear the sounds. But I have shown you pictures because few of the children. Actually, when we talk about wax, wax glands are present in the auditory canal. So where is auditory canal? Ear canal. So is this
In
concept
the
clear to
external
everybody?
ear, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Is
yes,
this
ma'am.
concept, hearing concept is clear for everybody, or anybody is
Clear,
having
ma'am.
finally any doubts in
Okay,
No,
hearing
ma'am.
miss.
No
concept?
doubt,
Clear.
ma'am. No
Okay,
doubt, ma'am.
1 minute,
Clear,
Clear,
ma'am.
children.
miss.
So here this purple colored, this 1 minute. Yes,
What
this
purpose?
purple colored is there now. This is called
It is
as,
ear canal, ma'am.
yes, ear canal, and we will call this ear canal also as
Auditory canal.
auditory canal. Okay, the other name for ear
Auditory canal
canal
or
is auditory
Auditory
canal.
canal.
Okay,
ma'am,
Auditory
tympanum
canal.
is also known as eardrum, na, ma'am.
tympanum is also known as
In
eardrum. See, this is
Eardrum.
eardrum. Okay, where is eardrum? Where did I write? This is. Okay, this is
ma'am,
tympanum,
pinna is
or
not having any other name, ma'am. Pinna.
pinna is also called as auricle. Pinna
Oracle.
is
Oracle.
also called as auricle.
Pinna is
Oracle.
known
I wrote C.
as oracle.
Pinna is
So
also called as
that's the
auricle.
scientific name.
Oracle. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, miss, is that the scientific name?
Yes, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, auricle. Yes, Nana.
Okay.
Wyoming. Okay, so this auditory canal is a purple canal, purple colored indication I have given there. Okay, this is also called as ear canal, and Akshara is asking me. For her, I was explaining you. Okay, so this this canal consists of some small hairs. Okay, if you put finger inside your hairs, what will you notice? Children, you
Something sticky, ma'am.
some sticky you will notice, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So that
Yeah,
is a
that's the
kind of
wax.
wax, that is a kind of ear wax, that is a kind of ear
Okay.
wax. Okay, which is secreted by some glands which are present in the auditory canal or ear canal. There are some glands, we call them as wax glands. Okay, this wax
Miss,
glands, they secrete some wax.
Wax.
Okay,
uh,
and that is the
Okay,
reason,
what's the
ma'am.
function of it? Like, does it have some link to hearing?
Yeah, the function of ear or wax is, see, generally, you will be having lot of dust particles which are entering
Yes,
into your
ma'am. That
ears.
wax
Okay,
we think as
Yeah.
dust
okay,
is
so these
meaningful
Oh,
all
as well,
yeah.
dust
ma'am.
particles, if this hair like structures, fine hair like structures are present in this ear canal, and they are also covered by some wax which is secreted by wax glands. It acts like a protection, okay, from the external dust
Yes, ma'am.
particles particles or waste particles because of
Yeah,
air and
yeah.
other wind or other things, because we'll be roaming from here and there and we'll be moving across the places. So when our ears are exposed to some kind of dust particles or something, it acts like a protection for our ear. Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. So now today we have completed with this, what is this sheet, content sheet 2 of your course book, page number 13 and 14. I have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, I have completed 13 and
Ma'am,
14.
I
at
mean,
2 o'clock,
in
what
GAT
will
you
come,
won't
ma'am?
give how do we reach the sound, ma'am?
Nana, water.
In
Naina,
GAT you will
please.
not give how do we reach the sound you won't give, na, ma'am. In GAT.
No, this chapter, I will not give that much. Okay, this chapter will
Old,
not.
that old previous syllabus, what is
Previous
it? That
only, previous
Okay,
only.
it's about the
Sonar,
ecosystem
sonar,
and the echo.
echolocation,
echolocation,
uses of
sonar.
echo. That only you will
Yes,
get.
Active and passive
correct, ma'am.
sonars
Yeah,
Those all things
and
will come.
active and passive sonars.
Akshara,
Yes.
you are not there. I think I think you were disconnected at that time. Actually, there was science GA. There is a problem technically for last Saturday. Okay, there was some
Yes,
questions were
ma'am.
being.
I was
So
there, ma'am.
then now again afternoon 2 to 2:30 you have science exam. Only science exam for 10
Okay, ma'am.
marks. Okay, this is for
Okay.
your
ma'am,
information.
physics and
Okay.
biology, na,
Biology.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So now what I'm
Ma'am, have you
telling,
completed week 2, na, ma'am? No, physics.
physics week 3 we have completed.
Yeah, week 3, week 3.
Week 3.
Miss,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Miss, now that I have your WhatsApp number, can you like send me the week 1 and week 2 notes?
To WhatsApp. I will post in MCB. You just receive from MCB then. That's fine.
But when I click on the link, it shows biology notes. It doesn't show physics notes.
No, on when I will announce in the class, no. So at that time you have to open. So because biology and physics both are there in the science subject, so whenever on that day, whatever the day, I will announce in the class. Today I will be sending you physics notes. On that day you have to check, and on that particular day you will get physics notes. Okay, anyways, I will check like whether how is it possible to send for me the notes from the WhatsApp. I'll check it and I'll come back to you. Okay,
Okay, Miss.
right. And now actually what I was telling you is I have completed with structure of the human ear as per your course book and TCG is concerned, and we have discussed each and every line which is mentioned in your course book, and I have shown you the diagram of internal structure of ear along with all the labeling and parts also. So now you open your page number 15, page number 15 of your course book, page number 15.
I have opened it, Miss. Are we supposed to do the section A?
Yes, section A. So the first one is the dash nerve sends nerve impulses to the
Ma'am,
brain
time
from.
is up, ma'am.
Why Nanna? What is the time now?
Ma'am, give it as a
11, ma'am. We
Okay,
want a
11.
break, ma'am.
Right. So everybody understood this concept. Naina, you are asking me some doubt. Naina, respond.
Ma'am, she asked what is meant by amplification, na, ma'am.
Did you understand that process?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt you have further?
No doubt, ma'am.
Naina,
No
you are
doubt,
not
ma'am.
responding me. Are you are not clear with the topic, I think so.
Miss, she's not in the class.
Okay, she's not in the class. Okay, children,
Yeah.
then that's fine. That's fine, children. Then anyways, it's time for your break now. It's already 11 o'clock. So I'll be sending you the notes of week 2 today. Okay, at any cost. Please note it down in your physics notebook, physics CW. Please note down. I will send through MCB today physics week 2 notes. Please open, check it, write down in your physics notebook with neat and good
Okay,
handwriting,
Miss.
and please send back to me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, my
Okay.
WhatsApp number is 9951689404. I repeat again, 9951689404. Right? So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Come back after the break for the next
Miss,
class.
do we have homework?
That's what I was telling you. You have to write down your
No,
notes.
like in the course book?
Course book, actually, if you can do it, that's fine. You can do it by own. But for
Okay, I'll do it.
today, you have to complete notes for sure. For sure. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss.
Take care.